and welcome to this lesson where we will be discussing key cloud security fundamentals. The objectives of cloud security fundamentals are: 1. Understanding cloud computing and security basics. The shared responsibility model in cloud security. Key security challenges and threats in cloud environments. Effective mitigation strategies to enhance cloud security. By the end of this lesson, you will have a strong foundation in cloud security, enabling you to implement best practices and safeguard cloud-based systems. So let's dive in. Cloud computing delivers IT resources over the internet, offering scalability, flexibility, and cost efficiency. Now let's quickly discuss the core service models, which includes 1. Infrastructure as a Service IaaS. Provides virtualized computing resources. 2. Platform as a Service PaaS. Offers tools for developing and deploying applications. 3. Software as a Service SaaS. Delivers software applications over the cloud. After considering the core service models, know that security in the cloud is crucial due to risks such as data breaches, insider threats, and misconfigurations. This is more reasons why organizations must implement strong identity and access management (IAM), data encryption, and compliance measures to secure their cloud environments. Considering the shared responsibility model, it defines the security responsibilities of both the cloud providers and customers in the cloud environment. Let's quickly talk about the Cloud Service Provider CSP responsibilities. The major reasons why Cloud Service Provider is important is because of the following: protecting infrastructure, maintaining physical security, and ensuring compliance with regulatory standards. Below are the customer responsibilities to consider: securing data, managing user access, configuring cloud settings, and adhering to compliance requirements. After knowing all of these, the division of responsibilities varies based on the cloud service model. IaaS, customers manage OS, applications, and data security. PaaS, customers secure applications and user access. SaaS, customers focus on user access and data security. Having understanding and adhering to this model, it is essential to prevent security gaps in cloud environments. Despite its benefits, cloud computing showcases significant security challenges, which includes data security and privacy risks, unauthorized access and compliance issues, misconfigurations, accidental exposure of sensitive information, lack of visibility and control, difficulty in monitoring and enforcing security policies, insider threats, risks posed by malicious or negligent employees. It is also important to know the common cloud security threats, which includes data breaches, unauthorized access to sensitive data, account hijacking, cybercriminals exploiting weak credentials, DDoS attacks, overloading cloud resources to disrupt services, insecure APIs, weak authentication mechanisms leading to security breaches, malware and ransomware, malicious software targeting cloud environments. Having considered security challenges, organizations can strengthen cloud security through these means: strong IAM policies, implementing multi-factor authentication, MFA, and role-based access control. Data encryption, protecting data at rest and in transit. Regular security audits, identifying and fixing vulnerabilities. Security monitoring, using SIEM tools for threat detection. To summarize what we covered: 1. Cloud computing basics and security principles. 2. The shared responsibility model and its implications. 3. Key security threats such as data breaches, misconfigurations, and insider threats. 4. Effective mitigation strategies, including IAM policies, encryption, audits, and monitoring. To help you reinforce what you've learned and explore more advanced lessons, before you go, take your learning to the next level. Click the link in the description to access this lesson inside the MotivaLogic Academy Learning Management System. There, you'll find a quiz for every lesson, hands-on labs, and real-world projects designed to test and strengthen your understanding. While you're there, explore our full catalog of advanced, hands-on courses and downloadable resources, all created to help you move from theory to real-world expertise faster. Ready to gain real industry experience? Work on practical projects, collaborate with other professionals, and build a strong GitHub portfolio that sets you apart and accelerates your career. Click the work experience link in the description below to register your interest. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. And turn on notifications so you never miss a future lesson. Thank you for watching this video to the end. See you in the next video.